Silhouette Studio is the blue circle icon on the desktop. You can upload an image using the File button in the top menu. Black and white silhouette type images work best in this program. Once you have your image in Silhouette Studio, you can use the toolbar on the right to get it ready to cut. The button at the top is Page Setup. Here you can turn the grid lines on and off, as well as change the size of the cutting mat. This is the Trace button. We will use this button later to trace our image so the machine can cut it out. The Replicate button is used to duplicate, mirror, or rotate your object. The Modify button can be used to group objects together or separate objects that have previously been grouped. The Offset button is used to offset a new shape in or out from an existing shape. This button over here on the left side can be used to add text to your design. Now that we have seen the basic functions of Silhouette Studio, let's get a file ready to cut. I'll import my image using the File button at the top. Next, I need to trace my image. Go to the Trace menu and click on Select Trace Area. Now I can select the area I would like to trace. I know I have selected my image because it has turned yellow. Now I want to click on Outline and then Trace. I can click and drag my original image out of the way now. We don't need it anymore. This is the stage where I would offset, duplicate, or mirror my design. If you are using heat transfer vinyl, it is important to remember to mirror your design. If you're using regular craft vinyl, this step is not necessary. I can now hit the Send button in the top right corner. Before I cut, I need to select the material I am using, in this case, glossy vinyl. I also need to select the level of cutting force I would like the machine to use. I am now ready to send my design to the Cameo Silhouette.